How to concatenate, join, items in a list to a single string. How do I concatenate a list of strings into a single string? For example, given, this is a sentence, how do I get this as a sentence? For handling a few strings in separate variables, see how do I append one string to another in Python. For the opposite process, creating a list from a string, see how do I split a string into a list of characters? Or how do I split a string into a list of words? As appropriate.
Use str.join.
A more generic way, covering also lists of numbers, to convert a list to a string would be
It's very useful for beginners to know why join is a string method. It's very strange at the beginning, but very useful after this. The result of join is always a string, but the object to be joined can be of many types, generators, list, tuples, etc. Join is faster because it allocates memory only once. Better than classical concatenation, see extended explanation. Once you learn it, it's very comfortable and you can do tricks like this to add parentheses.
Edit from the future. Please don't use the answer below. This function was removed in Python 3 and Python 2 is dead. Even if you are still using Python 2, you should write Python 3 ready code to make the inevitable upgrade easier. Although a Brown College answer is good, I think it's more understandable like this. The second argument to join is optional and defaults to